Welcome back, dear watchers. Today, we are jumping into the thrilling universe of e-learning, where information meets innovation. Whether you're an understudy hoping to extend your viewpoints or an expert trying to up skills, e-learning has upset the manner in which we learn and develop. In this video, we'll explore the advantages of e-learning and how it's forming the fate of schooling. So, without further ado, let's jump right in. Before we dig into the subtleties, we should explore what e-learning truly is. E-learning, it's a dynamic and adaptable approach to acquiring knowledge, skills, and information, open to anybody either free or paid, at any place, using either mobile phone, tablet, or computer system with the connection of internet. From the solace of your own home or in an office, e-learning breaks the boundaries of conventional study hall settings, making schooling genuinely comprehensive and easy. With intuitive learning stages, tests, and recreations, e-learning changes training into a tomfoolery and vivid experience. It takes special care of different learning styles and prepares for a more profound comprehension of the subjects. You're not kidding. E-learning has seen a remarkable ascent in prevalence throughout the long term. With a large number of students overall and a consistently growing cluster of online courses, obviously, e-learning is setting down deep roots. Benefits and advantages of e-learning. Here are some of the advantages and benefits of e-learning. 1. It, right off the bat. 2. Offers unrivaled adaptability. 3. You can establish your own rhythm. 4. It is cheap with not much expenses. 5. You can rewind and re-watch until you've dominated the substance. Besides, no heavy additional expenses for learning. Also, e-learning associates students from one side of the planet to the other. You can work together with similar people, trade thoughts, and gain different viewpoints from the solace of your home. E-learning supports your vocation possibilities. Acquire certificates and confirmations from eminent organizations to upgrade your abilities and entryways to new open doors. Believe me, there are many students who overcome adversity and have accomplished their objectives through e-learning. Their processes will leave you persuaded and anxious to set out on your own e-learning experience. You can visit our website at www.babsonline.space for more on e-learning. Could it be said that you are prepared to assume responsibility for your learning process? Fate of schooling with e-learning. Embrace the fate of schooling with e-learning and open a universe of conceivable outcomes. E-learning innovations were already making significant impacts on the education landscape. However, we cannot predict future developments. Nevertheless, we can provide insights on the potential fate of ordinary classroom schooling with the continued growth of e-learning innovations. E-learning innovations have the potential to revolutionize education. It is crucial to recognize that each learning method has its strengths and weaknesses. The future of ordinary classroom schooling will likely involve adapting to incorporate the benefits of e-learning while still preserving the essential aspects of in-person education. Visit our website for more tips and guides about e-learning and online studies sites, similar to this video, and share it with your kindred information searchers or use them for yourself. Keep in mind, the excursion begins with you. That is in support of this present video on e-learning. Many thanks to you for going along with me in exploring this awesome area of information. Until we meet in our next video where we would talk about prompt engineering course, continue learning, continue developing, and continue to sparkle. See you soon. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment, and hit that notification bell so that you would not miss our next video.